Okay, guys, in this particular video, we're going to be talking about the change of base formula for logarithms. And what it means is you're going to take a logarithm that has a certain base and change it to a different base. So let's talk about what that looks like. Here's my formula, the change of base formula. You can see that that's the log base A of x is equal to the log base b of x divided by the log base b of a. This is what we call changing the base formula if we're dealing with logarithm. And so we have this particular example where we want to rewrite the logarithm log base 2 of 4 as a logarithm with base e. And so as we get started to do that, a good idea for you to start, especially here at the beginning as you're learning this, is just to identify all the important pieces so you know how to change the base. I have a typo up there with the TH. I apologize, but I'm just going to keep it moving because it is a Saturday. And so we're going to identify all of our important pieces. Like in this case, my A was my original base of 2 that you saw. My X is what's in my parentheses, which is the 4, and then my base E is going to be my B. So as I rewrite this, I'm going to take that log base 2 of 4 and I'm going to rewrite it. So we're going to make, of course, a fraction mark because we do know it's a fraction. And then I know that my base, my new base is going to be E. So the log base E of 4 is how I would write the numerator. And then on the bottom, the log base 2 or the log base E of 2 is going to be. So basically, just so you know what you're looking at, the expression there on the right, when you look at this guy right here is equivalent to this guy, but it's just rewritten with the base of E. And that's why it looks like that. You would find that both of these numbers are equivalent. Okay. I want to do one more example just so that you can kind of see this happen again. And so basically, I want you to rewrite the log base 8 of 14 with a base of 6. And so we're going to identify all of our important pieces again. So we know that our A value there is our original base of 8. And we know that our X value is what was in the parentheses of 14. And I know that I want my new base to be 6. And so what that looks like is this. I'm going to change that to my new change of base formula. And so it looks like this. I know that I'm going to have 6 as my base, and the numerator is going to be log base 6 of 14, and then my new denominator is going to be log base 6 of 8. So just wanted to make sure you know, so whenever you're asked to change bases, and you'll probably be asked to do that on one of your, probably on your final for U2, you know how to do that.